Examples on introduction to functions, and the directions are telling us plot the points from the number rules on the coordinate grids. The rule is y equals x plus 3. So our x, let's do the first column. Y equals, we plug in the 0 plus 3, and y would equal to 0 plus 3 is 3, so y equals 3. So we've the x-axis would be 0. We circle the 0, and we plot in the point for the y-axis at 3. So we put the point right here. Okay, let's go to the second column. We have y, and our x would be 1 plus 3. So y would be equal to 4. So our x would be 1, and our y would be 4. So we go up to y, and we plot the point right here because it hits the y-axis, the 4. Okay, so we plot the point right there, so that would be the x-axis would be 1 and the 4 would be the y-axis. Okay, let's go to our third column. Y equals, the x would be substituted as 2 and plus 3. So our y, 2 plus 3 equals 5, so our y equals 5. So our x would be 2, and we would go up to 5 and plot the point right here because it hits the y-axis, as you can see. So our x would be 2 and our y would be 5. Okay, let's go to the fourth column. We have y equals, our x would be 3 plus 3, and our y would equal to 6. So the x is 3 and our y is 6. So we plot the point right here because it hits the y-axis, the 6. So we go to our next column. We have y equals 4, because 4 is our x, and plus the 3. So y equals to 7. So we circle the 4, that's our x-axis, and we go up to 7. That hits our y-axis, so we plot the point right here. So our x would be 4 and our y is our 7. Okay, let's go to the sixth column. Our x is 5, so y equals 5 plus 3, and our y equals 8. So we circle the 5 because that's our x-axis, and the y is 8. So we plot a point right here at the 8 y-axis, right here. So our x is our 5 and our y is 8. Our next column, our last column, is so we have y equals, our x is 6 plus the 3, so y equals to 9. So our x would be 6. The 6 would be on the x-axis, and the y is on the 9-axis. So we plot the point right here because the 9 hits on the y-axis. So right there we plotted all our points from that chart. So you can see there's a pattern going up. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.